Hey guys, what's up? DHDC here, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Lamborghini Centenario 1:8 in die-cast model from Maisto. I purchased this model from Hobby Toys India and I've left the link in the description so that you can purchase it. So let's go and get this thing unboxed. Yeah, so now this thing has got some screws and rubber band, so let me take them off. Now as I have got this thing unboxed, let's take a closer look at this. So this car is powered by a 6.5 liter V12 MPFI engine. It has 770 horsepower, 660 Newton meters of torque and has a top speed of 350 kilometers an hour. It does 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.8 seconds